Hello everyone, welcome to Josh Max channel. In this video, we are going to see for CBSE Board Grade 12 Standard Max Chapter number 5 Continuity and Differentiability. Already in the last videos, I have posted the solutions explanation of example 1 to example 13, and in this video, we are going to see the solution of the example 14. So what is given here? Show that every polynomial function is continuous function. So what they're asking us to prove, every polynomial function is a continuous function. For the previous sums and all, if you have noticed, directly function is given. Here direct function is not given. Instead of that, what is given? Every polynomial function. It's a statement like it's given. So every polynomial function, in the sense, we are going to take a general form of a polynomial function. Okay, so general form of a polynomial function, we are going to take it, and that function is continuous. We are going to prove it. We know the general form of a polynomial function. We know that what is the general form of a polynomial function? P of x equal to a naught plus a1x plus a2x square up to plus an x power n. So this is the general form of a polynomial function. And now we need to prove the continuity. This function is continuous throughout the real line, that we need to prove it. For proving purpose, just see here. So throughout the real line, right? Okay, so throughout the real line only we need to check we are going to find out the continuity or not. Okay, show that they said, so definitely it's continuous, but we are going to give how it's continuous, the reasons we are going to give here. So throughout the real line we are going to use the single function, so there is no cases. Okay, no breakage of the real line. And one more thing, throughout the real line we have infinite real numbers, no? So we are going to have a common name. Let C be any real number. Any real number. Basically, when we will say function is continuous, suppose if we have a number 4, okay, to prove at number 4 function is continuous, means what and all is required? F of 4 value we will find out. Okay, when if x equal to 4, then what value the function gives, that we will find out. Then close values of the 4 also we need to take it. I mean, from the left hand side. Okay, it has to coincide. So the close values in the sense 3.999, 3.998, such type of close values. Even when we round it, we have to get the 4. So such type of close values. Also have value. Okay, for f of 4, what value, what result we are getting? The same result. Okay, the same result we have to get for the close values. Same result in the sense coincide. So approximately the same result we need to get it. And even for right hand side also, the close values results has to coincide with the f of 4. Then only what we will say, function is continuous we will say. So here we taken like a general form, right? Okay, so it's applicable for all real numbers, right? So we have named it as a C. So for the C also same way, f of C value we need to find out, and close values of the C both in left hand side as well as in right hand side, we are going to observe what is the result. Okay, is it matching with the f of C or not? We are going to check it. So first f of C, sorry, we taken like a P, right? So P of C function we are taken as a P. So P of C equal to A naught plus A1C plus A2C square up to AN C power n. Now left hand limit we are going to find out. So left hand side close values. Okay, so left hand side close values, what happens to the function? So limit x is approaching towards the C from the left hand side f of x. Only single function, sorry, p of x. So we need to replace p of x. What is the given p of x? A naught, a1x, a2x square up to an x power n. When we apply the limit, what result we will get? A naught, a1c, a2c square up to an c power n. Now right hand limit. Now right hand limit x is approaching to the C from right side. So we have infinite values. So from right side, if p of x P of x is what? That has to be replaced in place of P of x. That is a0, a1x, a2x square up to an x power n. Now applying the limit, what result we are getting? a0 plus a1c plus a2c square plus an c power n. Now if you notice here, P of c value, left hand limit, right hand side limit, all values are coincide. So if all values are coincide, what we can say? So here P of c, left hand limit, right hand limit, approximately all values are same. We got like exactly. What is the reason means? We directly substituted in place of x as a c. But close values of c approximately equal to c only. So approximate values only, but here the values are same. So what we can say? What we can say from this function? So p of x is continuous. This is what they asked us to prove, right? So hence proved. That's all. In the next video, we can see the example 15. And thanks for watching. And please do subscribe. Thank you.